What if I told you there's a pickup that gets 800 miles of range, tows nearly 8,000 pounds, and doesn't need a drop of gasoline? Meet the 2026 Chery KP31. While Ford and Toyota are busy debating between hybrids and full EVs, Chery just dropped a bomb on the global market, the world's first diesel plug-in hybrid. It's rugged, it's high-tech, and it's the forbidden fruit that might just force American brands to change their strategy. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the truck the US market is watching very, very closely. The specs are insane. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter turbo diesel with a record-breaking 47% thermal efficiency. It's paired with a heavy-duty PHEV system that allows for 100 miles of pure electric driving NEDC for a US buyer. This is the holy grail. You get the low-end grunt of a diesel for towing and off-roading, but you can commute to work on pure electricity. With a combined torque output expected to exceed 500 pounds-ft, it has more pulling power than most mid-sized trucks in America today. No range anxiety, no compromises. Chery didn't just build a lifestyle truck, they built a tool. It sits on a ladder frame chassis and features triple locking differentials, front, center, and rear. That's a level of off-road hardware usually reserved for the Jeep Gladiator or the G-Wagon. With 35-inch equivalent tires on the concept model and a factory snorkel, it's clear they're aiming for the overlanding crowd. It has a 1-tone payload and a 3.5-tone towing capacity, matching the gold standard of the mid-size segment. If this hits the States, the Tacoma and Ranger have a serious problem. Inside, it's all about luxury. You've got a massive 15.6-inch floating 4K display, Napa leather massaging seats, and a cabin that feels more like an Audi than a work truck. Chery is also packing in their latest D-Pilot autonomous tech, offering level 2.5 hands-free driving on the highway. It's the first time we've seen a work truck offer this level of interior refinement and digital integration. The Chery KP31 is the wake-up call the industry needed. It's the diesel hybrid we've been waiting for. But the big question remains, will we ever see it in a US showroom? Tulis Pendapot and a D column Komentar. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.